This is the IP68 RGBW LED strip. Now this strip comes available with a warm white channel, a natural white channel, and a cool white channel. The polyurethane layer helps to maintain the IP68 rating and is also able to stand temperatures of up to 110 Celsius, suitable for saunas and steam rooms installations. It has 60 LEDs per meter with the SMD 5050 LED chip. It runs at 14.4 watts per meter and must be supplied with 24 volt DC constant voltage. We recommend using liquid electrical tape on all cutting points, connections and cable ends in order to provide extra security and maintain an IP68 ratings, especially if any cuts are made on the LED strip. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. For more information, you can visit our website highlightlighting.co.uk and you can also follow us on our social media pages. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.